Hello, welcome. In this video, I will show you how management reporting application is working in S/4HANA Analytics. In this video, I will use standard field application throughout Paras, so I launch this application. Formerly, Field Design Studio was used for management reporting, but now Web Dynpro Grid is used in a newer management S/4HANA. Firstly, I need to enter the filtering value, and by clicking Go button, I can get the data. In this application, I can enjoy all of the navigations, including slicing, dicing, and drill down. I can do that in three areas: navigation panel, context menu, and a navigation button. Now I would like to remove company code from the table. In the navigation panel, I can do that by clicking this icon. And I can add company code again in the context menu. And I can remove it again with the navigation button. After clicking company code, by selecting drill down and remove drill down button, company code is removed. And now I add cost center in column of the table and I remove it. I would like to use end balance value only, and so I would like to remove other measures. It's possible from context menu, or it is also possible to in this menu. In this menu, I can do that for several measures. And I can add field by drag and drop, and I can change the position like this. Now I remove account type. And I drill down with calendar quarter to column. And now I change the start value to 01/01/2021. So data from first quarter to fourth quarter is displayed. But now I need the data of second quarter only, so I filter the data in the table area. I want to replace calendar quarter with calendar month, but when I add the field, refresh is happening. It will take some time. For avoiding it, I can use this menu, Defer Layout Update. After selecting this menu, refresh would not happen, so I now remove calendar quarter, but refresh would not happen. And I add calendar month, but refresh would not happen either. But by clicking this icon, data is refreshed, and now calendar quarter is replaced with calendar month. And now I remove the filter on calendar quarter and refresh it. So data from January to November is displayed. Now I close the navigation panel. I can hide the filter bar, and it's possible to expand the table view and minimize it. I can jump to other field application in this menu Jump to. Now I select the Fiori application displays GL account balance, so this application is launched. Now data is filtered by the selected GL account. Now I go back to original Fiori application. In this application, key and description are grouped and work together, but display can be changed. Change the display to display description only. Now the only description is displayed, but it is sorted by key. I can change the sort by description ascending, and I can do it in the navigation button. So I would like to sort by ID ascending again. And I can use hierarchy in this application. And now hierarchies available for this master data are listed, and I select one hierarchy. And this hierarchy is applied in this table. I can expand the node manually, or I can do it at the same time with the context menu. I now select level to 5, and node is expanded at the same time. And now I would like to filter the data with the node revenue. And after that, I would like to replace GL account with product. Now I remove calendar month from the table, and now total is displayed, but I can hide it in the context menu. Or I can show it again, and it is also possible to filter the data by medium in this menu. Now I would like to display the data which is less than or equal to minus 100,000. Now the data is filtered, and I would like to change the color depending on the figure in the cells. I can do that by creating exceptions. Target figure of the exception is, of course, in the balance. And I set the color with green for the cells whose figure is less than or equal to 1 million. And I would like to set the color with yellow for the cells whose figure is between minus 1 million and minus 100,000. Now the color of the cells are changed. And I go to graphical display. Now the chart is displayed, and it's possible to change the chart type like this. In this tab, I can check the technical information of the query used in this application. I can export the data as Excel file. And I can export as PDF file. it is possible to customize the filter bell. Now hierarchy ID is there, but I can remove it in this menu. I now deselect hierarchy ID, so hierarchy ID is removed from filter bell. And I add calendar month again, and I set the value of posting date to as 06/31 2021. So data to June is displayed, and I can save this customized filter by and values in the fields as variant. I name it as V1 and I set it as default variant. So this variant is applied when launching this application. And I can set it as public. This means it can be shared with other employees. And I save it. And I change the value of posting date to 2/03/31 2021. And now the data to match is displayed. And I save it as variant v2. And it is also possible to save the navigation state of the table at core review or bookmark. I name it as v3 and I deselect this. This means the filtering value are not included in the saved bookmark. I save it and I go back to Fuel Launchpad and launch this application again. Now the variant v1 has been applied because it has been set as default. And I select the bookmark v3. So customize the table layout navigation state have been applied. So data to June is displayed. Now I select the variant v2. So the filtering value is changed. So and data to March is now displayed. And I can save this graphical view as style. I name it and I choose where to save the tile. And now tile is saved. So I go back to the Fuel Launchpad again and go to Overview. So I can find the saved tile and I launch it. And I can see the saved graphical view. I can enjoy a kind of self-service in this way. That's all. Thanks for watching.